Today we're diving into Cardly AI, a unique tool that promises to revolutionize how we send greeting cards. But does it really deliver on that promise, or is it just another gimmick in the crowded AI landscape? Let's find out. Cardly AI is designed to help users create personalized greeting cards using artificial intelligence. The concept is pretty straightforward. You input a few details about the occasion and the recipient, and the AI generates a card tailored to your specifications. It's aimed at anyone looking to make their greetings a bit more special, whether for birthdays, holidays, or just a simple hello. At first glance, the user interface feels clean and intuitive, which is a plus for those who may not be tech savvy. However, while the card designs are appealing, I noticed that the customization options could be a bit limiting. For instance, while you can adjust text and select images, the range of styles feels somewhat restricted. One thing that stands out is the AI's ability to suggest messages based on the occasion, which could save time for busy users. But there are moments where the suggestions feel a bit generic, and that might not sit well with those wanting something truly personal. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Cardly AI is user-friendly and can save you time, especially if you struggle with what to write. The AI-generated messages can be a lifesaver in a pinch. However, on the flip side, the customization options feel lacking. For users who want to dive deep into card design, this may be disappointing. Another concern is transparency. It's unclear how the AI selects images or phrases, which leaves some uncertainty about the quality of the content. Plus, while the pricing isn't stated clearly on their site, the lack of information could make potential users hesitant. Overall, Cardly AI seems best suited for those wanting a quick, easy solution, but it might not satisfy those looking for a more personalized touch. In conclusion, Cardly AI has its merits, especially for those who appreciate convenience. If you're looking for a quick way to send a greeting without much fuss, it's worth considering. However, if you value deep customization and unique designs, you might want to explore other options. Overall, approach with a bit of caution, but it could be a handy tool for some.